It is time for the slaves of Earth to recognize their masters. Galvatron! My brothers, today I grant you your freedom, and from now on, you are commanded by me. Rise up.
Sorry, guys. I know I really messed up.
Have a chance to bring back Cybertron. You roll with me.
That's where we can see him.
Minions of the Prime. Megatron, prepare to be obliterated.
Ratchet, we need a ground bridge.
You will now join your brethren.
You got that right.
How is this happening? I mean, we put out a call inviting refugees back to Cybertron.
I heard a commotion.
The Chaos Bringer is here, on our soil.
What he wants.
There would be only one reason.
To destroy the spark of his archenemy, Primus.
But that's the core of our planet.
It isn't fair. How many more times do we have to save a world? Have to fight for the survival of our home?
Regrettably, the struggle between creation and destruction is an eternal one. And the battle lines which separate the two run through the very spark of Cybertron. Good and evil, order and chaos, one victorious, one vanquished, each forming the core of their own separate worlds, Cybertron and Earth. And now, the darkness has followed us.